Hey everyone, welcome to another quick tips video. If you've had a lot of photos of your pet and you want to tag your pet, or maybe you have more than one pet and you want to tag them in your photos, there is a simple way to do so. You want to open photos, you want to scroll down until you see people, pets, and places. Just tap on that, and then you want to tap on the pet. So I will tap on the pet here. And at the very top, you will see add name. If we tap on that, we can name our pet. So hit next, and then we hit done. Now we have officially tagged our pet, and our pet will also have its own album. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, like, and consider subscribing if you are new. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.